So you want to have it sat upright, so it's a lot easier to reassemble. You're going to take that metal one, put that one in, put this one in, and lastly the plastic one, and put that in. Okay, and then you're going to take this, put that in. Now you see this part right here, that's where this comes in. Take this, just put it in there, the shaft. I'll show you. Okay, you just hold it like that, and that's that part. Then you take the two O-rings, you put it in. There you go. For the next part, you're gonna have this, but you want to make sure that it sits properly. So this needs to be all the way down, so you see that it kind of like jollies up. So make sure it's all the way down, and then from there you can take this, put this in here, and then start going with it. And you'll start to feel it grab on, which usually is like, if you're right-handed, it's gonna go away from you. And then there you go. And then to test if you did screw it on properly, you're gonna go lock, unlock, lock, and then unlock. And you'll feel that springiness to it. And then for this part, you see the metal pieces. So you're gonna do that, but make sure it's the right way. So put it like this, and then we go, you plug it in, and there you go, as you can see. And that's how it looks. And then you're gonna grab this, put it in, and then there you go, you're done. Now the handset is completely reassembled, ready for you to go and plug it back in.